Hi children, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw an alien easily. Let's start. At the top, go slantingly upside and go broadly. Go to left side and come slantingly down side. Like this. Your face shape should be like this for alien. And now inside that, slantingly draw an oval shape. First we have drawn on the right side, again similarly on the left side. Yes, we have drawn eyes of alien, and inside that draw a small circle. And except the small circle, color it as black on the balance areas. Again similarly on the right side eye, draw a small circle and color the balance part as a black. And now coming to the mouth part, at the bottom draw a straight line, and the top of that draw two straight lines and color it as black slightly. And this is the nose of alien. And thus we have drawn a face, head, eyes, nose and mouth of alien. And now coming to the body part, from the neck point on both the sides, come slantingly and go broadly, and this is the body like this. In the center of both the body part, draw a downside arch like this on both the sides and close that at the bottom using a straight line. And now at the neck part, come slantingly and draw a fingers, and these are hands. Similarly draw a straight line on the right side, and again another line and draw a finger. And thus we have finished drawing alien. At the center draw a dot, and this is the belly button of a alien. And now we have finished drawing alien. Let us color it. And now almost we have finished coloring alien. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe, Pebbles.